Morning to all of you. Now, already we have covered the topic lists in HTML. Now, today I am going to show you the code for some specific lists in HTML. As we all know that list create a list of items in a bulleted form or in a number form or in alphabetical order. For that purpose, we use OL as far as number and characters is concerned, alphabet is concerned, and UL as far as bullets are concerned, right? Combining all these lists, we can create a new list. We can create some specific type of format of a list that is known as nested lists. Nested lists. When we include order list within order list, or when we include this order list within some other unordered list, or if we include vice versa, unordered to order definition with both of them, so that then will become nested list. So here today I am going to show you practical session by writing code of how to produce the lists of create the list of. So here is the sample file for you. See here, this is type of lists, right? Where in point number 1, Arabic 1, item 1 is given, then A and B in capital written, and then 2 items in written, and then 2 in Arabic form, item 2, and then A and B small written. So how to create this? First concentrate on this one, left side one, right? So here it is item 1 with 1. So what we will write here? We will use OL. Now with OL, is there any necessity of using type attribute? Yes or no? No right now, because here this one is in number only. This one is in number only, Arabic number. So the default type is Arabic number, right? So only we will write OL, no type, just OL. Then after OL, what to write? LI. In LI, we will write item 1. Done. Then we will write use again OL. Now here we need to use type. So let's see the code how to write. First of all, write OL, right? OL. Then item 1 is here with 1. So with OL, write LI, list item, and include this item 1 here. Item 1. Done. Then come. Now, right now, we may close this OL or may not close this OL, as this one more order list which contain A and B is inside this order list. So this is now nested list, right? So this order list where AB is written is within this one type of order list, right? Again, this 2 is coming after 1. This is continuation of this 1. So here, better to not close this OL tag, right? And start within this OL only, start second OL one, this one OL, right? So I am writing like that only. I am giving one tab space to make it clear that second OL is within this OL only, this previous OL only, this second OL is, that is why I have given this one tab space here. Then this OL में A and B, capital A and B is there. So write again, what to write? LI, and again LI. So this OL contain two sub list means two list item A and B. So here, as this is type of A and B, so here only OL is written, that means again 1 and 2 only appear. So make it use here type attribute. Type is equal to capital A, that is must to use initial letter only, capital A, that's it. Now what is written over here in a sub item A? So we will write sub item A in small written, okay, A, and then written sub item B, right? So write sub item B here, make it B. Done. Then after this B, in continuation, now here it is coming to where item 2 is written. So now it is compulsory to end this ordered list, second one order list, which is nested inside this one. So close this OL here, because there is no continuity of this ABCD, AB, right? Capital AB, no continuation of. So close that. Now come to this section. 2 is here after 1. So here OL is already written. LI is you have given, which is taking 1. Now write only LI. Now this, as we have ended this OL, so this is end now. And now in continuation this OL is again starting from here onward. So OL LI item 1, it displays 1, then this unit will come, and then LI. Here after 1 2 will come, item 2, write down item 2, that's it. Again come, and here again this small a and b is there. So when small and a b is there, then again we need to use OL with type attribute. OL type is equal to what? Small a. Then again LI, then again LI. Here write down etc, and here write down whatever. It is blank, but I am writing whatever, suppose. That's it. Again end this OL, and now close this starting OL tag in which these two are nested within. So end this OL tag. Now save it and see. I am removing this headings. File, save as ol.html. I used to give STM. I am using STM extension only because both are same, very same. STM and HTML are. HTML takes less time, one character less time. So see the preview here. OL, open with Explorer. You can see it in Chrome also or Firefox also. See how it is coming. Output of. See here. This was the main original one and ours. Original one and it is ours. Right? So this is actually order list only, but nested order list, nested list, we can say, right? Now see here one more, second one example. I am going to show you the code of how to write, and do practicing of. There are many code is given, many output is given also in your book. And if you have Sumita Arora book, then go through that book only, see the output of given OL, output of OL and unordered list, and also see in Kip's book also, right? Go through the order and unordered list which is given in the questions also, and do practicing of, and I will try to give you questions also to solve the questions also related with order and unordered list. I will just snaps the book pages and give it to you from all the books whatever I am having. So this is what. Now see this one how to write. Here is what second one item 1, but here is Roman 1 letter there and Roman 2 letter, and within this Roman 1 item 1 is bullet, square type of, and circle type of. So start writing the code of this. How we will start writing? We will write ul tag. We will use ul tag, and better to write the code of whatever I made the code of this. Write it down in your copy and do practice of the code. ul item 1. So here write li item 1 item 1, then within this nested is bulleted list. So here is this one also is an example of nested list in which unordered list is within order list. So this is order list, and in this order list there are two unordered list. One order list is there in which item 1 and item 2 is displaying, and within that order list there are two unordered list. One is type of square and one is type of circle. And in the previous one there was also one order list in which two order list was there, है ना. One is capital A wala and second is small a. So, right. So nested is nothing but just mix up all other lists together and make the list. So item 1, then sub item is there which is having square type of bullets. So write li, then no need to close it because it is also coming in continuation. 1 ke baad 2 is coming. So write here ul, but here put type attribute is equal to what is that, square now, square square. Must be very accurate about spelling when you are writing, and here consider the small and capital letter when we are writing the value of this type attribute. This is option, this is in option case. HTML is not case sensitive, but here you need to what be careful about when you are writing this type of value of the type of attribute, then you need to be very careful about that it is in small case or not. Suppose I am writing it in capital letter, see whether it will give you result or not, right? Square, right? And as HTML is not a case sensitive language, so it has to take this as a code. But let's see what it is giving. Then come here, write li sub item and sub item to li. It is given sub item, make it small now, sub item, and then again here write down li. I am writing it sub item 1, better not to confuse, sub item 1, and here also write sub item 2. Now here end this with ul. We need to end this with ul because there are no continuation of this one over here, and this then item 2 is coming. In continuation again write only li, no need to and here I have written ul. No, here I will write, sorry, not ul, ol. This is in Roman letter and in numeric form, so we will use ol, and here we will use type attribute. It was missed from my eye, type attribute, and type is what here, Roman capital I, so write initial I only, that's it, done. Li, in that Li item 2 will come, item 2 will come, then again come and use ul type is equal to circle, then li, then again li, etc. is given. Okay, etc whatever by my side, then end with ul tag, and then again come and end this ol finally, which was parent of the lists. Now see what happened, what preview it is showing. This is nested, again nested dot htm. Previous was nested one, but I gave it a name ol only, no problem with that. Nested में open with explorer. Now see, here is item 1, item 2, right, etc. whatever, and here we had given a square type of bullet, but here it is showing circle type of. See what happened, here it is showing circle type of. So code here is square, right, in capital. So here what I want to tell you that HTML is not case sensitive language, right, because here is li, ये तो ले लिया. So HTML is not a case sensitive language, but still when you are going to use lists type attribute, then be careful there to write the value of the type attribute in small letter. So make it small and see the preview. SQUARE, square, save it, and then again see the preview. Wow, what a magic. Again one more magica indica, right? So this is how it takes and how we can create lists, any list, right? So here we have made that nested list, but any type of list you can create, order list, only unordered list, definition list, combination of all these nested lists we can create. So that's it for today only. So keep practicing and do revision, right? All the very best. Thank you.